Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to update Google Sheets row for tag keep contact. So here my objective is that whenever a contact is created with tag in Keap account, then automatically a row should be updated in Google Sheets. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Keap and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Keap and my action application is Google Sheets. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Sheets row for tagged Keap contacts, which means whenever I will apply a new tag in my Keap contact, my Google Sheets row would be added automatically. For that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now, to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now I'm going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. If you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as tagged keep contact. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as tagged keep contact. And again, here on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as update Google Sheets row for tagged keep contact. And as you can see over here, I have selected the folder named as tagged keep contact which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us two extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Infusionsoft by Keap. Let's click on this. Now we have to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Now let's click on this. And here you will find various trigger events, but I'm simply going to select add tag to contact, and it says triggers when a tag gets added to contact. Let's click on this. And here Pabbly Connect has provided us the webhook URL, and this webhook URL will act as a bridge between Keap account and our Pabbly Connect account. And given below here are the steps to set up this webhook URL, and also there is an important note: to obtain a point of reference, please view this video. You can click on this and you can view this video just for your reference. Now, the first point says log into your Keap account. I have already logged into my Keap account, so I'm simply going to show you how you can build this automation. Now go to automation in your Keap account. I've already created a tag named as new contact, and now to set up a webhook URL, go to automation builder and automation, and after that click on this and go to automation builder. And it says please name your automation. So I'm going to name my automation as tag contact. I'm not selecting this category over here. I'm going to click on save. And after that, here in goals, you will find tag applied. Drag and drop this tag applied over here. And after that, we'll connect the sequence with tag applied. So drag and drop this sequence over here too. After that, connect this. And here we have connected our tag applied with the sequence. After that, click on this and then go to view and edit. And here you will find start. Now we have to send HTTP request. So you will find send HTTP request in process. Drag and drop this send HTTP request over here. After that, connect with start. And here we have connected our start and send HTTP request. Now click on this and go to view and edit. And here we need to enter the webhook URL which is provided by the Pabbly Connect account. Let's go to Pabbly Connect account. Copy this webhook URL from here. And after that, paste it over here. And now we have to add parameters which we need. So as you can see in my Google Sheet, I need these parameters in my Keap account, which is first name, last name, mobile number, email, contact ID. So let's go to Keap account and add parameters. Click on this, add first name, and here for the value, click on merge. Go to contact fields, which is most common, and here you will find first name. And as you can see, we have added the value over here. Add parameter again, and here add last name, and again the value will be this. And for contact ID, go to contact fields and select this. And as you can see over here, I have added all the parameters which I have needed. After that, enable this draft and it says ready. Now go back and click on this as well, and then go back and click on publish. And after clicking on that, it says one element not marked as ready. I'm going to click on this and it says tagged applied. Previously, I have not selected the tag, so I'm going to select the tag now, which is new contact, which I've already created. I'm going to select this and then click on save. And here it says all elements marked as ready. We can click on publish. And here we have successfully set up our. Now after setting this automation, we have to tag a contact. For that, go to contacts. Now to tag a contact, I'm going to create a new contact. Let's click on this. First name will be test and the last name will be user. And the work email will be, let's say our company will be Pabbly and the phone number is. So I've entered all the dummy details over here. After that, click on save. And here, as you can see, we have created a new contact. Let's click on view contact record. And this is the contact which we have created just now. I'm going to click on add tags. And here I'm going to add the tag which I have created, which is new contact, and then click on add tag to test. And as you can see, we have successfully added a tag here, which is new contact. And as you can see, we have successfully received a response in our Pabbly Connect account. The first name is test, last name is user, and the mobile number is this. Email address and the contact ID is 215, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be Infusionsoft by Keap. And now my action event is going to be list of applied tags. Let's click on this list of applied tags, which says retrieves a list of applied tags to our contact. After that, click on connect and then go to add new connection and then click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap. Allow this. And here we have successfully connected our Infusionsoft by Keap with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the contact ID over here, which was provided in the previous step. And here it says enter the contact ID. You can also map the ID received, the trigger event, new contact or contact edited for retrieving the details of that contact. Here I'm going to use the method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. Let's click on this and then go to Infusionsoft by Keap. And here, as you can see, we have the contact ID, which is 215. After that, click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received a response. Our tag name is new contact, tag categories, customer tags, tag ID is this. After that, clicking on this plus icon, I'm going to add an action step, which will be Google Sheets. Let's click on this. And now I'm going to select my action event. Let's click on this. And my action event here will be lookup spreadsheet rows V2. Let's click on this. After that, click on connect. And then go to add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on sign in with Google. Select your account and then allow all the authentications. And here we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account. And now we have to select the spreadsheet and it says you can choose or map your spreadsheet here. Let's click on this and here I have named my spreadsheet as customer details. So as I have a single sheet only, so it would be selected automatically. Now we have to enter this lookup value and it says enter value to be searched in the column here. The response will return the 100 search rows only. Let's click on this. and then go to Infusionsoft by Keap, and I'm going to select my lookup value as contact ID. After that, we have to enter this lookup column which is required, and it says search column here. You can pass multiple comma separated columns. We will grab the macros and give you all of its values. And here the contact ID column is column E. Now let's enter column E, and now moving ahead, we have to select n column of data, and it says enter the column to which the data should be retrieved here. It is to be noted that any data beyond the given column will be ignored. For example, enter D if you want data till the column D. My n column is column F, so I have entered the column F. And here, lookup as date, and it says choose lookup as date option here, which is not required, so I'm leaving it as it is. And use sheet headers as keys in response. You can choose an option to use sheet headers as keys in response here. If no is selected, zero-based column indexes will be used as keys. And I have selected yes. And my sort rows will be top. You can choose a sorting value to pick the recent match here. The default value is top. Now let's click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, we have received the response with all the details. And now again, I'm going to click on this icon and I'm going to add an action step, which will be Google Sheets again. Now let's click on this, and now we have to select an action event. Let's click on this, and now my action event is going to be updated row. As I want to update my row in my Google Sheets, let's click on this. After that, click on connect, and then I'm going to choose add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on sign in with Google, select your account, and allow all the authentications. And we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account. And now we have to select our spreadsheet over here. Let's select it, which is customer details. So as I have selected my spreadsheet, and as I have the single sheet only, so it would be selected automatically. And as soon as the sheet would be selected, whatever the columns I have created in my Google Sheets would be fetched and would be visible as fields here. As you can see over here, first name, last name, mobile number, email address, and the contact ID with tag. And here I have exact same columns in my Google Sheets. So I'm simply going to map all these details. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous step. To enter my row index, which is 5, and the first name is test, and the last name is user. Mobile number is this. Now moving ahead on the email address, so the email address is this. We have the contact ID, which is 215, and we'll find our tags here in Infusionsoft by Keap, list of applied tags. Let's click on this, and here as you can see, tag name, which is new contact. Let's click on this, and now click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received a response. Now let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether we have updated a row or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully updated our row in a Google Sheets, which means we have successfully connected our Keap account with our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, as we have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. Then let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Infusionsoft by Keap, and my trigger event is add tag to contact. Here my action application is Infusionsoft by Keap, and my action event is list of applied tags. My another action application is Google Sheets, and here my action event is lookup spreadsheet rows v2. And after that, my action application is Google Sheets, and my action event is update row. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.